It is me, Shiwo, the wizard. Today in Shiwo Science, we will be talking about magic. First thing first, what is magic? Magic. Is it a supernatural power capable of great feats? Or is it just tricks and illusions performed by modern and ancient magicians? It was once thought magic was a real powerful energy, sometimes good and sometimes pure evil. Now, most people just believe magic is tricks and illusions to make things that are impossible seem possible. Entertainment. However, many modern people still believe in the power of magic. Let's zoom back in time to the Middle Ages. At that time, many people were accused of witchcraft. Whenever people were accused of witchcraft or black magic, it meant death. A lot of the times, people who were accused for this were thrown in a deep lake that was very, very cold and let to drown. If you drowned, you weren't a witch. If you didn't drown, you were a witch and would quickly be killed. Either way, you died. Not only women were accused of witchcraft, contrary to popular belief, men were equally likely to be convicted. Ancient Hebrews thought that there was only one God with supernatural powers, and so no one else could have supernatural powers. For example, magicians, wizards, sorcerers. If any of those people tried to do supernatural powers, which is magic, in evil or a good way, they would quickly be burned at disrespect of the Hebrew religion. In Egypt, however, sorcerers were thought to have great power and were very highly respected. Each pharaoh, mostly, had one sorcerer, or two. Was that a sorcerer? Woo! I need to get his autograph. In the Dark Ages, wizards were around and used many strange magical objects such as frogs and crystal balls. And then there's also the ancient Middle East, where magic lamps were said to summon genies that would grant you 3 wishes when they came out. I will plan, after so much research on the mystic Middle East, to release a genie and grant myself 3 wishes. It's not working. Maybe my magic wand could make it work. Not working. Whatever. I knew this was dumb magic anyway. It would never work. Does everybody disturb my sleep? I must go back inside. So, this lamp really is trash. I'm going to have to get rid of it. So long of waiting, and no genie came out. I'll remember to throw it away with the rest of some non-working heresy artifacts. Luckily, I will make up for the money that I lost when I threw the genie lamp in the trash that didn't work, because I can double my money. The book, all empty. The envelope, completely empty from the inside. My hands, I have nothing. Here we have 10 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will double them and turn them into 20. So let's put them in this book so we can easily transport them into the envelope. That's what the spell calls for, is a book. So the words of coins in the book, every single time it says coin in the book, I measured and it's 10 in the whole book, they will turn into actual coins. Hocus pocus. Now, I'm going to make it. Hocus pocus, make my money doublets. Now, let's count how many are inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What? There are no more. Just kidding. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. That is my money doubled. Now I will make it all disappear. Ooh, it disappeared. Now for my next trick, I will pull out my trunk. This is my magician's trunk. I have all of my supplies in it. Now I'm going to pull rabbits out of my hat. First, let me get the supplies. Wait, this is a sea otter, not a rabbit. Whoa! Wow, unexpected traps in here. Dragon's egg, collected that specimen. A whistle, how did that get there? Oh, and this ball. Huh, that's fun. Okay, wait a sec. Where are the materials? Oh wait, yeah, I pulled rabbits out of my hat. My hat is the material. Sorry for that. Anyway, see this hat? All empty. Nothing inside. Look at it from every angle. Nothing, 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 nothing. There's no way anything could fit in here. And yet, I will pull out rabbits from it. Anyway, have you heard the story about the penguin? He walked to the South Pole and then I completely lost him. 3 bunnies. You see them right here. You want me to pull out more? You can keep the bunnies. They're probably too busy hopping away anyway. Now I have some slightly less impressive tricks. Let me pull out my supplies. These must be rings for a giant. Oh, it's Mr. Sharpie. Ow! Ow! Another ball. 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 Another alien. Where are all the supplies when I need them? All I have is balloons. You can have them anyway. Anyway, for my first trick, I will hold the exact card you are holding in my right hand. Pick a card. Okay, now I will show you. I am holding nothing, which is exactly what you're holding, because I bet you're not watching this holding a box of cards. Or are you? Either way, I might have been right, because I was holding a 2 in my other hand. Yours was a queen, right? Anyway, this one is just a newspaper scrap. You can make it grow taller and taller and taller and taller and taller and taller. Ha! Magic. Yeah, those were the best tricks. Okay, for the next trick, I'm gonna have to find the supplies in here. Puzzle piece. Oh, this was for the puzzle that I wanted to finish, but I think my cat ate most of the pieces. I found them in a yucky glob of hair the other day. And this cheap plastic toy, I bought it for $100. And this should have a sad face on it because it's pink and pink. Where is it? Oh my god! Oh, wait a sec. This is just a toy worm. Anyway, I can do this trick for you. I can control it using only my brain. I can do it. I can control it using only my thoughts. So magic is pretty amazing, but sometimes it can be evil too. In history, in many eras, in many countries and places, especially in African countries, there were witch doctors that were said to talk witches out of evil magic if they didn't get killed already. I'm a witch doctor. Anyway, which doctor is the witch doctor? Now let's talk about modern day magic for a little while. You can make magic experiments yourself at home. They're similar to science experiments, except with a little mysterious touch to them where you can surprise your audiences. Also, many modern day economics have looked back to magic in ancient history to fix their things. For example, alchemists and chemists today look back to ancient magical potions said to cure stuff and make actual medicine out of them. Modern day inventors also look back to ancient magic because magic is a way of asking, how does that work? How does it happen even though it seems impossible? Also, by using gravity and electricity, you can make some pretty awesome magic tricks that revolve a lot around science as well. Machines use magic as well by finding out how to hide certain components of the machine, such as light or pollen. Technically, magic has helped make major scientific discoveries. Anyway, be sure to like and subscribe. That's about it for today. And when I say like and subscribe, I mean like and subscribe to my channel, the Wizard channel, not to Shiwo Science, obviously. Bye! The genie lamp is back!